Hi there, students. We are back again. All right, let's go ahead and move this out the way. All right, so we're going to talk more about abiotic and biotic factors, and I feel like right now, y'all got it, okay? So we're going to just go through it really quickly. I want you to look here at this T-chart, okay? We have examples, we have non-examples. I want you to look at the directions. It says, can you figure out the pattern in the chart below? What are these examples and non-examples of? Look at the list below the image and determine which would be examples and which would be non-examples. Think carefully. Okay, so we're looking here. I see we have bees, a tree, we have a rabbit under examples. Then here, under non-examples, I see we have the sun, we have rock, and we have rain. Okay, so by now, I'm sure you all can realize that this side, this would be your biotic factors. Non-examples, they're representing abiotic factors. So now what we're going to do together, we're going to position that. We are going to put those additional chart items where they belong. Okay, let's see, can I click, doesn't want to click for me. Oh, there it is. All right, so I am going to draw a line underneath. So I'll ask you, deer. Your deer would go under examples or non-examples. Remember, this would be your biotic. This is your abiotic. Right, I hope you all said the deer would go right there because the deer is alive. What about temperature? Right? It's going to go there. What about the air? Of course, you got this. And then the flowers. Of course, we are going to put the flowers right here. And then we have sand. Now, is sand alive? Of course not. Right there with the 9 examples. I know y'all got that. I know you did well. Okay, let's go ahead and close out of that. And really quickly, I am going to go here to this video just to give you a little bit more briefing on this. I know you got it, but we're going to watch it anyway. So I want you to really just pay attention and take notes. That'll help. Let's go. Thanks for sharing. All right. So remember, abiotic without life, biotic with life. Okay. So we are going to go ahead and move over. I want to show everybody. This is your Nearpod. You're going to complete the Nearpod. So we are going to just go through this really quickly, but you are going to work on this on your own. And no, I will not do it for you. Okay. However, make sure you click on one of the tiles so that you can match it. All right. All right. That's your memory test. Let's see. Okay. So here, be sure that you click right here to listen to the recording that I created. And then you are going to keep on going. But before you go, notice right here it says click on the recording for directions after you answer this discussion question. So make sure you answer this discussion question first, okay? And then make sure you click on this recording. I am not going to click it for you because then you'll say, oh, well, I heard it when you clicked it during this, live session. No, you're going to click it, my awesome students. All right. And so here you have your field trip. Okay. Now move your cursor around and that way you can get to it all kinds of ways. All right. This right here is the VR button. You click into this. It's still going to be on the same screen. You'll just have more like a goggle view or what have you. And you're going to still just move it around. Okay. And to simply just leave out of it, you're going to press escape to get right back on track with your Nearpod. Okay, so you can play around with this for a little bit, kind of observe and check out what are the abiotic and biotic factors in this ecosystem and be ready to record it. All right, notice right here it says draw a T-chart and list the abiotic and biotic factors you saw while under the sea. Okay, this is the way it should look. All right, and be sure if you want, you don't have to write the words out. You can put B for biotic and A for abiotic. I'm okay with that. And you are doing it right here on the screen, not in your notebook. All right, moving on. Of course, you're going to have a collaborate board. Let's see. Yes, I will approve the students. All right. So it says name a few abiotic and biotic factors you would have to compete for in order to survive if you were stranded on a deserted island with 10 other people. Be sure to label your factors as abiotic and biotic. So don't just name something on your list. No, I want to know what that is you're naming because I need to know. Do you realize what you're naming? Are you naming abiotic? Are you naming a biotic factor? Let me know. Okay. Moving on. Okay. There we go. You have a video right here. Let's move this out the way. Okay. You're going to click here, watch your video. Notice you need to pay attention. There's a question there. Okay, you need to make sure you are doing your part and paying attention, as I'm sure my awesome students will do. And then you have your next activity. You're simply going to create an ecosystem. Yes, there's some instructions. Make sure you look at them. Follow the instructions. Very, very simple. You're going to create it right here on this screen. Right here on the screen. Okay? So make sure you do that. And then, last but not least, I want you to answer this poll question. Can you identify abiotic and biotic factors that organisms and populations compete for? I mean, are you tired of hearing about abiotic and biotic by now? Okay, hopefully not because you're going to hear it all week. Okay, so get familiar, have fun. I can't wait to see what you all doodle up. I love to watch everyone's interaction. So please make sure you participate. And I do use all assignments for grades. So do your best. Okay. That's all I ask. All right. And we are going to stop sharing. Good luck, guys and gals.